हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। सो आज की वीडियो का टॉपिक है हाउ टू बी अ फ्लुएंट स्पीकर इन इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज। सो इंग्लिश हैज़ बीन अ नाइटमेयर फॉर मेनी पीपल एंड फॉर मी इट वाज इट वाज वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट टू लर्न इंग्लिश। मेरे लिए भी बहुत ही ज़्यादा मुश्किल था इंग्लिश लर्न करना एंड टू टॉक इन इंग्लिश। मुझे वर्ड्स नहीं मिलते थे और मुझे लगता था क्या ज़रूरत है। तो एक टाइम पे मैंने इंग्लिश बोलना स्टार्ट किया और फिर मैंने बीच में छोड़ दिया। मुझे लगा ये बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट है, बट आई रियलाइज दिस ओवर टाइम दैट इट्स वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट to learn English. It can be for your interview. It's very helpful. This language is very helpful. आप इंटरनेशनल ट्रैवल करो, आप किसी से भी बात करो। आजकल तो कोई भी कंपनी इंग्लिश में ही आपसे इंग्लिश के ही माध्यम से आपसे बात करती है। तो मुझे ये पता चल गया था कि दैट दिस लैंग्वेज इज़ वेरी मच इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर मी एंड इट इज़ क्रिएटिंग इशू। ठीक है, तो मैं लग गई इसको याद करने में, इसको पढ़ने में कि क्या है। सो आई वुड कम स्ट्रेट टू द पॉइंट दैट व्हाट आई डिड। आई वुड नॉट बी गेट कीपिंग एनी थिंग। जो 3 पॉइंट मैं बताऊँगी, अगर आप वो फॉलो करते हो तो आई एम डैम श्योर दैट यू वुड बी स्पीकिंग बेटर इंग्लिश दैन मी in front of me, and if you follow it by heart. So guys, let's start the video. So firstly I will give you a little background ताकि आप मुझे जान सके हो। तो मेरा नाम आरती है और मैं I have been bring and brought up in Bihar, and to know there was no one who taught me English. Like there were no tutors and I never paid to learn English. It was all by myself, all by YouTube. Yeah, you heard it right. I learned it all by myself, and you can too. It's not that you have made it big in the mind, but it's so easy that you would find it very fun once you start learning it, and once you start talking in English, and you would be very excited and you would feel that this is an achievement. So I think I went to CBSE school, and there was this strict rule that everybody should speak in English, but यहाँ पे ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता. There were no backgrounds around me who would talk in English. हमारे यहाँ हिंदी, भोजपुरी, मैथिली इस सब में बात होती थी. So there are no chance कि मेरे फैमिली वाले इंग्लिश में बात करें, और there is some tutor coming to teach me English. So I was bad at this, and no one in my school taught me English. Even the English teachers would speak in Hindi ताकि सभी को समझ में आए. So ऐसा नहीं था कि कोई सपोर्ट था बैकग्राउंड में. So मैं ये बताने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ that I learn it by myself, और आप भी कर सकते हो बिना किसी को पैसे दिए, बिना ऑनलाइन टीचिंग, बिना ऑनलाइन ट्यूटर के और ऑफलाइन ट्यूटर के. So yeah, let's start the video. So 3 things I would be sharing that you have to do. So मैं सबसे पहली चीज़ आपको बताना चाहूँगी, जो मैंने पहले चीज़ किया वो था एक्टिव लिसनिंग. First of all, I started watching a lot of video on YouTube, okay, and in English. So there were mock interview in English, and there were movies. यूट्यूब में कोई इंग्लिश मूवीज़ होती हैं, और ड्रामा एंड आई watched 1000 of videos in English one by one. I started watching it, and for like 1 or 2 weeks I did it. 1 or 2 weeks after doing it simultaneously मैं करते गई, and then the other day जब मैं when the day if I watch a video, and the next day I would keep uttering some words of English. I would try to make a sentence. So what happens when you do this now, कि आप इतने सारी इंग्लिश वर्ड्स सुनोगे, देखोगे, and you would start speaking English by yourself. Trust me, active listening is the very very useful part of my journey. I learned so many things. So when you start watching a lot of series in English, you will start speaking English. You would have to catch the words that they are speaking. You would see how they're speaking English, their way, how their mouths, how they're, talking in English. So you will consume that thing and you will start speaking. Now come, let's to the second point. So the first point is active listening, and now I'm coming to the second point. Now the second point is read as much as you can. Yes, आपको पढ़ना पड़ेगा books. So I started reading books. Okay, so here I am telling you a website जहाँ पे आप फ्री में किताबें पढ़ सकते हो. It's oceanpdf.com. Many of you will know, and you can search the book name there, and then you can get the PDF. I will suggest you to buy some 1 or 2 or 3 books. Like I have book, like I have so many self motivational books. I love that genre of book, so I have that. एंड एटॉमिक हैबिट हो गया, चेतन भगत की कोई बुक पढ़ लो, 11 सीक्रेट्स ऑफ लाइफ, एंड हाउ टू लिव लाइक अ मॉन्क बाय जय सेट्टी. तो ये सब बुक्स हैं मेरे पास, 3-4 ऐसे होंगी जो मैंने ख़रीदी है पेपर बैक, ताकि मैं ऐसे फील कर सकूँ दैट आई हैव अ बुक presented in front of me, and I have to read these pages. And the physical part of the book, you really love it when you're reading it. तो आपको ऐसे अच्छा लगेगा. तो 1-2 बुक आप अपने मोटिवेशन के लिए ख़रीद लो कि आप वो पढ़ोगे. एंड इफ़ यू कांट, देन ओशियन PDF पे जाओ और जो भी बुक आपको पसंद है, विच एवर बुक यू लाइक, सर्च इट एंड देन रीड इट. So there are no excuses that you're not reading, or I'm not a reader, I don't read, I don't feel like reading. No, just start. Even if you don't understand a word, just start. Just if you have to learn something, you have to do something. So just start reading. 1 day, 2 day, 3rd day, you will start getting something. You would start liking it. So get in that process. So second thing is read as much you can. Novels, books, anything you like, read books. And I would suggest you to read more physical books. That is my suggestion for you. And now come, let's to the third point that is most important. इसके बिना आप English नहीं सीख सकते. You cannot utter a word of English without that, and that has helped me a lot. So let's talk about it. So सबसे लास्ट पॉइंट है मिरर टॉक. ओके, मिरर टॉक, सेल्फ टॉक, सेल्फ इंटरव्यूज़. अब मैं क्या करके ये बताती हूँ क्या. सो आई वुड टीच यू, लाइक आप यहाँ देखो दैट हेयर इज़ माई मिरर. ओके, एंड नाउ यू हैव टू स्टैंड इन फ्रंट ऑफ दिस लाइक दिस, एंड you have to start talking. Okay, you have just ask yourself some question like, give me your introduction, and then you will start speaking in front of this mirror with a smile face. So this is how you're gonna do the mirror talk. And then you have to talk to yourself for like 20 minutes, 30 minutes, like what did you do today. So मैं सोने से पहले I would just repeat question to myself like, Aarti, what do you like, what are your hobbies, and then I would speak in English. And what did you do today, then I would speak in English. And anytime if I'm doing the skincare, or I'm doing makeup, or I'm just sitting on my bed, I would just take my interview like I am getting a prize, and I am just acting like, oh my god, thank you for the prize, I'm very much thankful and all. So I would just make a blog without a camera. So I would just make the blog, and that was very helpful. So even before this I'm shooting this video, before that I have done it. So it practice by practice you get better at it. So self talk is very much important. Take your interviews, take your self talk, record yourself, and then see how it going, so that you can blooper, so you can understand yourself better in English. So I think these are the 3 tips, and I would be coming with more and more videos of English. If you like this video, please comment down, and please comment down and subscribe to my channel. I will be coming with more and more videos, and I would बहुत सारे लोगों ने मुझे सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, क्योंकि मेरी वीडियोस अभी ज़्यादा लोग देख रहे हैं, बट मैं देख रही हूँ कि मेरे सब्सक्राइबर अभी 52 ही हुए हैं. So it's quite sad. I would be regular, but please subscribe to my channel. So thank you for watching. I will be coming with more and more videos if you like to. Bye bye.